What's up, gentlemen? So if you're somebody that wants to be more attractive, but you don't want to spend a lot of time or waste a lot of money doing it, good news. Today's video is what you're looking for. I'm going to go over some stupidly simple ways for you to be more attractive. Number one is wear sunglasses. I told you, some of these are going to be pretty easy. Sunglasses are a quick, easy way for you to look dangerous, mysterious, and sexy. Number two is glasses. Glasses make you look more intelligent. They also make you look more attractive. But don't wear some whack-ass pair that's like just wire. Look for something that's a little bit more substantial and it's got a little structure. In my opinion, tortoiseshell is the best. Number three is your nails. Make your nails look better, right? A lot of guys neglect their hands. They don't think about it, right? They're more worried about their face or their hair or whatever. But your nails, your hands, this is what women actually notice. And so make sure that your nails are trimmed. They're not all jagged. The cuticles aren't all rough. If you're worried about rough cuticles, take a dab of Vaseline, just like this, and put it on your cuticles, all right? It's gonna lock in the moisture. It's also gonna make your nails a little shiny and your hands más sexy, all right? Speaking of Vaseline, a few other things you can do with this that's gonna make you more attractive. Number one is put it on your lips. Just like that, before you go to bed. A small dab of Vaseline on your lips before you go to bed will mean you will never ever have chapped lips. You can also use Vaseline to actually reduce fine lines, puffiness, and bags on your eyes, all right? Because those are definitely not sexy. And so what I recommend is moisturize, which is the next thing that you need to do to be more attractive, because a dry, ashy face isn't sexy. After you moisturize, take a small dab of Vaseline, put it around your eyes. It's gonna lock in your eye cream or your moisturizer, making you look better. Whiten your teeth. In my opinion, crest strips are like a no-brainer for a dude, right? You get them, you buy them, you put them on your teeth like once, twice, 3 times a week. Your smile is gonna be dazzling white, which brings me to the next thing. It's gonna make you more attractive. Smile. Smiling at people automatically makes you look more attractive, more friendly, and sexier. Next up is your outfit. Actually, I gotta back this up because you gotta see the whole thing. Wear all black, all right? This is a super secret, stylish trick to make you look more attractive. All right, the deal is wearing all black, everything from your shoes to your pants to your shirt to your jacket, right? All black. I'm talking nighttime, right? You're gonna look sexy because an all black or dark monochromatic look is a quick, easy way to make you look taller, more muscular, but it also just as mysterious and sexy. But you could also go all white. All white is a quick, easy, old money style secret to always look effortlessly sexy in the warmer months, all right? White shirt, white polo, white pants, and then a pair of brown loafers, absolute perfection. The next thing that's gonna make you more attractive is to smell amazing. Guys, wearing a signature scent is a quick, easy thing you can do to automatically boost your sex appeal. And the beautiful thing is that scent is one of those things that is unforgettable. It's also undeniable. When you smell something that's good, you remember it, you also are more instantly attracted to it. And so what I'd like to recommend, guys, if you're looking for a new fragrance to add to your collection, you've gotta check out Gisada Ambassador. This, in my opinion, is the best fragrance under $100. If you guys haven't heard of Gisada, they're a small boutique fragrance house out of Switzerland, and they've been making waves in the fragrance world. All the fragrance YouTubers are talking about Gisada, but if you don't hang out in that world, you've probably never heard of Gisada. Well, Gisada Ambassador is, in my opinion, the best fragrance out there for under $100. And if you use the code ALPHAM20, you're gonna get an additional 20% off. It's crazy. This fragrance is perfect for spring, for summer. It's a powerhouse. It projects like crazy, but it's not just my opinion. Everybody agrees Gisada Ambassador is amazing. Even on like Fragrantica, all right? If you go there, you search fragrances, you're gonna get like a ton of ratings. This has over like a 4.3 rating on Fragrantica, which means it is a go-to. And a little secret, another tip to smell better and be more attractive is don't smell like all of your friends. If you're wearing the same fragrance that all your boys are wearing, guys, or everybody else is wearing, you're not smelling unique, you're not smelling sexy. Instead, guys, what I'd recommend, hit that link down below, use the discount code ALPHAM20 to check out Gisada Ambassador. Gisada is a boutique fragrance house. They don't have 37 different fragrances. They have perfected a few. And Ambassador, in my opinion, is a perfect fragrance. You can't go wrong with this. This is one that I would recommend blind buying. You don't need to smell this. You're gonna love it. I love it. My girl loves it. Everybody that smells it absolutely loves it. And it's not just my opinion. Do a little search for Gisada Ambassador on YouTube. Everybody loves this fragrance, and so are you. Gentlemen, hit the link down below. Use the code ALPHAM20 to get 20% off Gisada Ambassador and smell Sexy as hell. Drink more water. It's gonna make you more attractive. 120 ounces a day, a gallon. Gentlemen, how? Well, you're not gonna retain a bunch of water in your face. It's gonna help your skin look better. You're gonna feel better. It's also gonna help your breath not stink, which is the next thing that's gonna make you more attractive. Have a fresh mouth. If you're not somebody that's going to the dentist on a regular basis to get that shit clean, make sure you go. Also, your nose hairs, get rid of them. If you got them, you're not as attractive as the dudes that don't. Also, your hair. Use a sea salt spray. Another quick, easy thing that you can do to give your hair more lift, more life, more volume, and not make it need so much product, which is the next tip. Reduce the amount of product you're using in your hair by half. If you're using a bunch of product, it's going to weight it down. It's not going to look as good. Less product, sexier hair, which brings me to the next thing. Let your hair grow out a little bit. All right, longer hair is sexy. If you're somebody that's been rocking the same super short, tight style for a while, let it grow. You never know how you're going to like it. You also don't even realize how much sexier you're going to get with longer hair. Next thing, it's going to make your booty look better is a great pair of jeans, all right? Wearing a great pair of denim is a quick, easy thing you can do to look more attractive. Every guy looks great in a great pair of jeans. Guns! Yeah, gentlemen, what? Exactly. Your guns. Are you doing bicep curls? If not, you got to start because, boom, arms are sexy. You want to make them even sexier? Get those sleeves up. Notice, look at my arm. It looks a little bit massive-ish, right? Because I'm showing my tricep, and that's the trick. The next trick to look sexier is get those sleeves up. If your sleeves are coming down and covering the majority of your arm, gentlemen, your arm's gonna look super tiny. Instead, get them up a little bit. If you wanna cuff them, that's fine too. Make sure that you're exposing the tricep because the tricep makes up 2/3 of the size of your arm, which brings me to the next thing that's gonna make you more attractive. Do more tricep exercises. A lot of guys get obsessed with biceps because they're fun, but triceps, that's where the bulk and the magic happens. Boots. A quick, easy thing you can do to look more attractive. Why do boots make you more attractive? Well, boots are sexy, they're rugged, and they also have a little heel on them, which is gonna give you a little bit of height. And so if you're a shorty, or even if you're average, or even if you're tall, boots are gonna make you a little extra tall, which makes you extra sexy because, like it or not, chicks dig dudes that are tall. And I'm not saying that if you're short, you can't get a girl. I'm just saying if you're short, you know what I'm talking about. Beards are one of the things that you can do as a man or an Italian woman. What's up, Nana? Anyway, here's the deal. Beards are one of the things that guys can do that will instantly make you more attractive. It's kind of like the female equivalent to makeup. You'll see a woman, right? Not super great, but she throws on like a smoky eye, maybe a little lip gloss, and boom, she's like a 10. Normally, she takes it off, she's like a 3.5. Beards do the exact same thing for dudes. They help give your face definition, and they help strengthen a weak jaw, which brings me to the next thing. It's gonna make you more attractive. Lose 10 pounds. If you lose 10 pounds, not only are you going to look better out of your clothes, your face is going to get more defined. A more defined angular face is a little bit more attractive, all right? Next thing that's going to help you do that is eyebrows. If you got 2 of them, that's good. If you've got 1, pluck the center. You need 2 eyebrows. And then clean them up a little bit underneath. It's going to give your eyebrows a little bit more shape, a little more definition. Just make sure you don't go too thin or you'll look like a chick. Wear a watch, non-tech watch. Tech watches actually make you less attractive. I'm just saying, they don't make you more attractive. All right, am I wrong? No, I'm not wrong, so shut up. All right, but seriously, wearing a watch, it doesn't have to be an expensive watch, but a proper watch is a quick thing that you can do that will instantly make you be viewed as more attractive. They're also a great accessory for making conversation. Dudes like to talk about their watches, all right? Also, a ring, great. A watch, yes. A bracelet, possibly. Necklace, yes. Earrings, no. Accessorize. Learn to accessorize, all right? Accessories are a great way to show your individual style, but just make you a little bit different than every other dude. And it's just a little bit of bling, right? Bling is good when it's done properly and not to excess. The next thing that you should do, not to excess, is layering. Layering with your clothing is another great way to boost your sex appeal. Instead of just doing like a shirt and pants, maybe throw on a jacket, a light sweater, a cardigan. It's a great way to add interest and texture to your outfit while also simultaneously making you more attractive. Next up is a suit. Every dude looks more attractive in a well-tailored suit. It doesn't even have to be an expensive suit. Any suit that you wear, that you get tailored, honestly, in my opinion, next level in terms of attraction. You throw on a crisp white shirt with that suit, a pair of loafers, boom! Attraction explosion, gentlemen. It just happens. Something else that happens, though, when you're wearing a suit that's tailored well, or clothes that fit your body, or an outfit, for that matter, that you know you look great in, all right, you stand a little bit taller, which is the next thing that makes you more attractive. Quick, easy, right? Stand up straight, shoulders back, chest up, and then walk like a man, not like a little weird boy, right? Not like something weird. Man, they step like they got somewhere to go. Also, shake good hands. I mean, have a good handshake. Shake good hands. Shake good hands. You get what I'm saying. A good, strong, firm handshake is something else that's going to send the subliminal message that you are a man about business. You also are not somebody that's going to be a puss, all right? Because you know what happens. If you go in for a handshake and you get owned because you're not ready, it's not timed properly, you feel like a little bit of a bitch, right? Don't feel like a bitch, feel like a man, shake hands like a dude, gentlemen. Also, this got weird fast. I'm just thinking though. I'm thinking of all these little things that you can do that will automatically make you more attractive. Next up is say hello. Make small talk, casual conversation, ask people questions, and give them compliments. Compliments are one of the things that people don't think about. I love giving people compliments, whether or not it's strangers, a barista, or whoever, it doesn't matter. I'll always say something like, oh, I like your whatever. Compliments, gentlemen, one of the quickest, easiest things you can do to automatically be viewed as more attractive is give somebody else a compliment. It's amazing. Psychologically, they can't help but like you. It also makes them feel good about themselves. And when you make somebody feel good about themselves, it automatically makes them view you as more attractive. And the last thing that you can do that's next level sexy is help other people. Now, here's the deal. I'm giving you kind of the inside information on this, but don't do it because of what it makes you look like. Do it because it feels good. But I'm just saying, when you help other people or somebody sees you help other people, it automatically boosts your attraction level. So if you open the door for somebody, people see that, attractive. If you pull out the chair for somebody, your spicy senorita, all the women around you, attractive. If you do anything nice for somebody, people view this as incredibly sexy. Gentlemen, bottom line is this. You're amazing. You're also super sexy. If you implement a few of these, your sexiness level through the roof.